First, the instruction manual provides a comprehensive overview of the machine's functions. This is the hopper. Inside the hopper is a screw conveyor for spiral feeding. Here are the templates and blades, matching the customer's purchased custom molds. These are the molds purchased by the customer, in sizes 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25 millimeters. Each mold is marked with the customer's weight in black marker. The mold weight must match the blade weight. The mold shown in the video weighs 22 grams, so the weight must correspond to a 22-gram blade. The machine must be disassembled and cleaned once per shift. 1. Remove the auger from inside the machine. 2. Open the wrench to remove the copper plate and pull out the blade for cleaning. 3. Remove the internal white mold. The video shows it weighs 25 grams. Both the mold and the blade weigh 25 grams, but the blade is slightly larger than the mold. This allows it to fit snugly inside. Four. Rinse the entire inside of the hopper with direct water. 5. Wipe the inside of the hopper with a damp cloth to prevent moisture residue. 1. First, screw the mold in and tighten it. 2. Insert the blade into the copper plate, reinstall it without opening, aligning it with the internal clips. You should hear a clicking sound when it's properly installed. 3. Close both handles. 4. Install the feed auger. 1. Turn on the main power switch to start the machine. 2. The location shown in the video below is the meatball boiling blanching machine for the meatballs. This is where the meatball boiling blanching machine for the meatball machine is installed. The meatballs are freshly made and not yet formed. The meatball boiling blanching machine helps them quickly heat set. 3. Turn off the button switch. 4. The nameplate contains detailed machine parameters. 5. The plug can be customized according to customer requirements. 1. Arrange all the molds on the machine in the order shown in the video. The blades and molds correspond one-to-one. 2. Follow the instructions in the manual for specific machine operation details. 3. The easy wearing parts of the machine are the sealing ring and the spring. 4. The sealing ring can be removed by simply opening the spiral copper sleeve. To install the spring, reach inside and hook one side onto the hook, and the other side onto the inner wall of the machine. Simply ensure the hook is properly positioned. 4. The standard machine is made of 201 stainless steel, 304 stainless steel can be customized. Additionally, all mold bases are made of pure copper casting, making them very sturdy and durable.